Okay, so we've had this Razor coming for some metal work and paint work. It's a real cool car. Absolutely love the dash in a Razor. It's coming for some welding down to the sills. It's the same on the other side. And some localised paint work. That's why I've done the repairs. So that's next up. Okay, so in this video we're going to show the repair process for the metalwork on the inner and outer sections of the driver's lower arch and sill sections. We did the same repairs on the driver's side rear and the passenger side front and rear, but we haven't included them in this video just to try and keep it a decent length. so we got the Razor in yesterday. Got it painted just below the swage on all 4 quarters. Just demasked it. So polish it all up now. Just it's quite nice. These are the repairs we did on the front. We're going to tidy that up underneath there. These pads all around the back because there's some repairs, some bubbling up around the bottom of the valance that we sorted. Around the rear lights, all the paint was flaking off, so we sorted that. Same at the bottom down there. So yeah, they're all the repairs, but yeah. So we're going to get that all polished up now. Get the wheels back. Well, just sort under the arches, get the wheels back on, and we're just going to run the polish over the original paintwork just to shine up. It's not quite as nice as the new stuff. So get that done now. Maybe good to go. That's the end of this video. As you can see, it's come out quite nice. It's gone back to the customer to do the final rebuild. If you've got any questions, just drop us a comment below and we'll get back to you. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Cheers, and I'll see you on the next one.